Hey everyone. So I connected with the cards and I asked what card would like to come through with a message today. And the Nine of Wands came through. And the message is, you've been through a lot. There's been a heavy load going on. There's been lots going on. Lots of things you've gone through. And the message of this card is, you might be injured. You might be worn down. You might be dragging your feet right now. But the worst is behind you, okay? So it might have been quite hard, but all of those battles, all of those, challenges and all the things you've been going through, the worst is behind you. And now you can move forward knowing that you've gotten through it, you're getting past it, and you are moving on from it. So take a breath and know that the worst is behind you. Let me know if this resonates. Make sure you like it so I can bring you more. Subscribe, hit the bell notification so you're notified of upcoming readings and videos that I do, and I'll catch you all soon. Bye.